Class again. Remember the last video we did was under tan x. We have done sin x using the first principle, and I'm going to be using a different approach to handle this cos x. Please remember the number thing to do. Always like this video, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. Remember in a trigonometric ratios, especially complementary angles, where we say that if you have a right angle triangle and this place is given as theta, remember this is 90 degrees, that this place is going to be 90 minus theta. I don't want to go far into the proof because remember this is an advanced math. Now it was stated clearly that if you have sine theta is going to be equal to cos 90 minus theta. If you also have cos theta, it's also going to be sine 90 minus theta. So what do we call it? Complementary angles. That simply means they complement each other. They're like 5 and 6. So we are going to use this understanding to do this advanced trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say that y is equal to cos. Remember, I'm not going to say 90 degree. Remember, 90 degree in my case is going to be pi over 2. This is going to be pi radian over 2. It's still something as 90 degrees radian. Okay? So I'm going to say this is going to be x, which is something as saying sine pi over 2 minus x. Pi over 2, sine pi over 2 minus x is something as cos x, according to this principle. Now, what should I do? Remember, we now have y is equal to sine pi over 2 minus x. Now, I'm going to apply chain rule. Now, in my chain rule, I'm going to say let u become pi over 2 minus x. When I do that, I will now say du dx, which is equal to minus 1. Of course, this is a constant. It cannot be derived. It's going to be 0. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is, then this is going to be y is going to be sine u. Remember, why sine u? Because everything here has been called u. So what else do I do? I will now say dy du is equal to, remember in my last video, I told you when you differentiate sine, you have cos. Yes, you now have cos u. And this is the first, and this is the second. So what should I do? I multiply all of them to have my dy dx. Remember, that's what I'm looking for. So we have dy dx is equal to the first one, which is minus 1, times the second one, which is cos u. And this is going to be minus cos u. However, what is my u? My u is pi over 2 minus x. So this is going to be minus cos pi over 2 minus x. All right, now dy dx is going to be minus cos 90 minus x is going to give me what? Sine x. Look at this. Cos 90 minus theta is going to give me sine theta. It's a model. So if I say this, if I say cos 90 minus p is going to give me what? Sine p is a pattern. So cos this is giving me c. Thank you for being part of this lesson. Remember the number thing. Hit the subscription button, comment, and say how wonderful the class is. Share the video to people that need it, and have a nice time.